Good morning, peoples. Welcome back to our today's class. How are you today? Hope you're staying safe. Today being Thursday, the 7th of May, 2020, and our subject is numeracy. Our topic is open sentences. On Monday, we talked about open sentences, and which we defined it as a mathematical statement that involves an equality sign and a missing number, which can be represented by either a box or a letter. And you can make use of any of the 4 basic arithmetic operations to solve an open sentence. Those 4 basic arithmetic operations include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We also looked at addition and subtraction involving open sentences. So today we are going to be looking at multiplication and division involving open sentences. Multiplication and division involving open sentences. Examples: 1. 2 times m is equal to 12. 2 times m is equal to 12. Solution: if 2 times m is equal to 12, then what is m? Here we are asked to find the value of m, peoples. We are asked to find the value of m. And to get the value of m, we will divide 12 by 2 to get the value of m. Omosa, 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2. Okay, now let's recite our multiplication timetable 2 together. 2 times 1 is what? 2. Good. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is what? 12. 2 times 7 is what? 14. So 2 times 6 is 12. If 2 times 6 is 12, then 12 divided by 2 will give us what? 6. Good. So the value of m is 6. For us to check if our answer is right or wrong, in the place of m, you write 6. In the place of m, you write 6. So 2 times 6 is 12. So our answer is right. Example 2. 3 times a is equal to 9. 3 times a is equal to 9. Solution: to get the value of a, we are going to divide 9 by 3. To get the value of a, we are going to divide 9 by 3. So our a is equal to 3. If you divide 9 by 3, your answer is 3, because in our multiplication timetable, 3 times 3 is 9. So the value of a is 3. Example 3. 10 divided by e is equal to 5. 10 divided by e is equal to 5. To find the value of e, we are going to divide 10 by 5. Omosa said it's simple. Yes, I know it's simple because 5 times 2 is what? 10. He has already said the answer. Yes, to get the value of e, we are going to divide 10 by 5. And following our multiplication timetable, the number that you multiply 5 with is 2. So 5 times 2 is 10. So the value of e is 2, because if you divide 10 by 5, it will give you 2. So the value of e is 2. Example 4. D divided by 4 is equal to 2. D divided by 4 is equal to 2. To get the value of d, we will multiply 4 by 2. To get the value of d, we will multiply 4 by 2. And by our multiplication timetable, 4 times 2 is what? 8. Good. 4 times 2 is 8. So the value of d is 8. In the place of d, to check if your answer is right, in the place of d, write 8. In the place of D, write 8. So 8 divided by 4 will give you what? 2. So our answer is right. Pupils, note this. If the problem is a multiplication, the number is divided by each other to get the value of what you're looking for. If you're asked to find the value of x when the problem is in multiplication, you will divide each number together to get the value of x. And when the value or the problem is in multiplication, the arithmetic sign crosses the equality sign and the sign does what? Changes, like we have in example 4. The problem is in division, and this depends on where the value of what we are looking for is. Since we are looking for the value of D, the value of D is outside, standing alone. So to get the value of D, we multiply 4 and 2 together. We multiply 4 and 2, and our answer is 8. So to check if your answer is right, you place 8 where D is written. Number 5. 2m is equal to 14. 2m is equal to 14. We are asked to find the value of m. People's note, 2m is the same thing as 2 times m. 2m is the same thing as 2 times m, because if you multiply 2 and m together, it will give you 2m. 2 times m is 2m. And we are asked to find the value of m. To find the value of m, we are going to divide 14 by 2. We are going to do what? Divide 14 by 2. And if you divide 14 by 2, our answer is 7. If we divide 14 by 2, our answer is 7. By our multiplication timetable, 2 times 7 will give us 14. So our m is 14. As you can see down, to check if your answer is right, 2m is equal to 2 times m, which is equal to 2 times 7. Our answer is 14. Pupils, we've come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you all understood it very well. If there's any question, please channel your question to the Google Classroom and I will respond to it. Here is our class activity. Solve the following. 1. 2 times f is equal to 18. Number 2. n times 3 is equal to 15. Number 3. r divided by 3 is equal to 9. Number 4. 12 divided by k is equal to 3. This is your class activity. Go through your examples, copy your notes, and use your examples to solve the activities and submit it to the Google Classroom, and I will give you your score. Thank you. Please stay safe.